Good morning everyone. Today in this class we are going to discuss about tense. First, let me ask you a question. What is tense? What do you mean by tense? I'll give you 5 seconds. Can you just guess? Just 5 seconds. Okay, so many of you have got the definition, but anyway, let me tell you. Tense refers to the time of happening of any action. Time of happening of any action. For example, I am talking to you right now. Okay, we are discussing. I am talking to you right now. This is one action. Okay, talking to you. It's one action. So, what this action refers to which tense? Present continuous tense. So any action that is going on around us, any action, okay, that belongs to one tense. So what is tense? Tense refers to, okay, time of happening of any action. So now, as you know that there are 12 type of tenses. The main primary tenses are 3: present tense, past tense, future tense. And sub tenses are, can you imagine how many? 12. 12 are there. Now I'll give you 5 more seconds. You can think about which are those 12 sub tenses. Okay, at least you might have guessed some of them. So let me repeat. The main tenses are present tense, past tense, future tense. Under the category of present tense, there are 4. Under the category of past tense, there are 4 sub-tenses, sub-past tense. Under the category of future tense, there are 4 sub. Okay, so in total, 12 sub-tenses are there. Okay, under the present tense 4, under the past tense 4, under the future tense 4. Now, dear students, let me tell you, we'll discuss today about present tense sub tenses of present tense. So in the present tense, the first one comes simple present tense. I repeat, simple present tense. Okay, simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. Okay, in the past tense also the same. Simple past, past continuous, past perfect, okay, past perfect continuous. Future tense also simple future, future continuous, future perfect continuous. So in the present tense, for present continuous, present simple present continuous, present perfect continuous. So the first one, that is simple present tense, which we are going to study today. So what is simple present tense? What is the use of simple present tense? Can you guess, dear students? Okay, simple present tense is mainly used for 2 functionings. First one, simple present tense is used for mentioning daily actions. Daily actions. Whatever the actions we do daily, or we can say even repeatedly. It can be daily also, it can be monthly also, it can be yearly also. Any action that we do repeatedly, it can be daily, or in a week I keep on repeating that, the same action, or every year I repeat that, or every month I repeat. So any repeated action, okay, we say in simple present tense. For example, let us go for daily action. Can you please think about, or can you just guess about the list of daily actions you do? The actions that you do daily. Many are there. Can you think about a few? Yes. Taking bath, eating food, studying, playing, watching TV, talking with parents, many actions we do daily. Okay, now first one, simple present tense, used for repeated action. One example, an action, daily action. One, let me take one. I eat food daily. This is one action I do daily. I eat food daily. Eat food. So here, as I do this action daily, repeatedly, daily it is repeated. So I should use a simple present tense to mention this action. I should not use any other tense. Present continuous or present perfect or present perfect, any other tense I should not use. I should use simple present tense to express an action that is repeated daily. I take bath daily. I eat food daily. I play cricket daily. I watch TV every day. You can use every day or daily. I talk to my parents daily. I go out daily. I read books daily. So whatever the actions you do daily, for to mention that, to express that, we use simple present tense. Okay. But dear students, you need to remember one thing, that like in maths has a formula. When you do a problem, you have a formula. So like that, English has a structure. English has a structure in the grammar. So here, when you know that this action is repeated daily, so I have to use simple present tense. But you have to use the structure also. There is a structure for every tense. Okay. So what is the structure of simple present tense? Subject plus verb 1. There are 4 types of verbs. Verb 1, verb 2, verb 3, verb 4. Okay, verb 1, eat. Verb 2, ate. Verb 3, eaten. Verb 4, eating. So in this simple present tense, you have to use verb 1. So I eat. Okay, subject I. Eat, verb 1. Then subject plus verb plus next comes object. I eat food daily or every day. So what is the structure of simple present tense? Subject plus verb plus object. But when I said the structure, at least 1 or 2 of you might have thought that there is a error in the structure. Knowingly I put that error. Okay, knowingly. Because many students make this error in the structure of simple present tense. Because subject plus verb 1 plus S or ES. S or ES should be added in the simple present tense. S or ES plus object. Okay. Subject plus verb 1 plus S or ES plus object. Okay. So, I repeat everyone. Simple present tense is used to express a repeated action. Repeated action of daily or monthly or weekly or yearly. So here I gave the example of an action that is repeated daily. I eat food daily. I watch TV daily. I is subject, watch is verb 1, TV is object. Then daily. I watch TV daily. I talk to my parents daily. I go out daily. Okay. Suppose in the structure I said S or ES. Okay, S or ES. So when does the use of, actually, when can we use S or ES? When can we use S or ES? Subject, for example, if subject is singular. Subject is a singular, we can use a S or ES. For example, he, she, it, that. Okay, all these are only single subject. Or I can say that with the third person, we should use S or ES. He, she, it, that. All these are singular subject. What is singular subject? Only one subject. For example, I said, I eat food daily. Then, He eat food daily. I can't say that he eat food daily. He eats. So S or ES in the structure, here we can apply. Because he is a third person, he is only one subject is there. He means how many persons are there? Only one. He eats food daily. She eats food daily. He comes to school daily. I come to school daily. They come. We cannot say they comes because they not a single subject. They many are there. They means more than one. What is plural? More than one. One subject will be more than one. Okay. So he eats food. Okay. He eats food daily. She eats food daily. She reads book daily. He reads book daily. They read book daily. We read book daily. We subject is plural, not singular. They read. Okay. So in this way. Now, so I gave an example of a repeated action of daily. Then I can say the repeated action of weekly. We go for a movie every week. We go for this action is repeated every week, not daily. Okay. So any repeated action, it can be daily also, weekly also, monthly also. Any repeated action that you do should be mentioned in the simple present tense using the proper structure given. I go for tour. I go for a big tour every year in the month of March or in the month of April. So this action I do in every year, okay, in the month of April. So I should say like this: I go for a trip. I subject, go verb 1. Okay, so subject is there, verb 1 is there. Then one monthly repeated action that I go. Okay, we can say that I go for a match. I go for a football competition every month. I write my class test every month. I write my class test every month. My family, myself, my family, we go out every month. So this action is repeated every month. So any action that is repeated, it can be daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, it should come under the under the tense of simple present tense with following the structure. So then the second use of, okay, the first use we learned that simple present is used to express an action that is repeated. Okay. Second use is that simple present is used to express an action of general truth. To express general truth. Whatever general truth is there around us. To say that we use simple present tense. For example, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. It's a general truth. We cannot change. We cannot change. The universal truth, the general truth which cannot be changed, which always happen. Okay, which always happens, the general truth, to mention that we use simple present tense. Okay, then the earth revolves around the sun. It is a general truth, universal truth. We can never change it. Okay, then stars shine at night. Okay, every star shines at night. It's a general truth. There is no change in that. Okay, so whatever general truth, universal truth, okay, to express it, we use simple present tense.